Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Yeezy 700 V3 in the Alvah colorway. I'm probably murdering that name, but that's okay. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23, as well as The Soul Luxury. That is my clothing brand. This is one of the hoodies. So The Soul Luxury on Instagram. Go check it out. With that being said, let's get into the shoes.
Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them. They talk and they talk, but I do not hear shit when I'm here.
In addition to the launch of a Resell pair back in December, Adidas Original will be following up with the upcoming black iteration of the Yeezy 700 V3. This offering of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V3 features a black and gray upper composed of monofilament engineered mesh with RPU overlays for structure and durability. The RPU cage has glow-in-the-dark features along with reflective detailing near the toe area. The PU encapsulated EVA midsole and herringbone rubber outsole completes the design. Look for the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 Alvah to release on February 15th at select retailers. The retail price tag is set at $200. Now this is the second colorway of the Yeezy 700 V3. First one did really well with Resell, and this one's looking like it's gonna be the same thing. Now before I get into Resell, my predictions, all that good stuff, let's just go over the shoe. So it is an all black colorway, which honestly does really well with the Yeezy line. You got this outer cage in this black that actually is glow in the dark. That is probably one of the coolest features I've seen on a Yeezy so far. You get a lot of glow in the dark outsoles with shoes, but this is one of the only ones with a upper that has material that glows in the dark. Now the model of the shoe itself is still kind of weird to me. All the 700s have this weird just like dad style. It's really hard for me to get on board with that style, but this is the best one I've seen so far. The V3s, they don't look as bad, and honestly with this glow in the dark upper, I think it looks better, and just the whole model itself is a lot better than the other 700s. So the V3 is definitely the best in my opinion. And then out of the two colorways that have dropped, I actually like them both, but I would say this black colorway is better. But yeah, the outer rubber material that glows in the dark is black. The glow in the dark is green. Underneath you got some lines running in gray. I thought that was going to be reflective. It actually isn't. The reflective material is on the tongue. See that in this picture right here. I just think it would have looked a lot better if it was reflective material on the gray stripes on the side of the shoe. Your midsole and outsole are black. Then you got yellow spots running along the whole outsole. You got a black tongue, black laces. I haven't seen any lace swaps of the 700 V3, so if I get this shoe, I'm definitely gonna be messing with different laces. Maybe try to throw some static laces from some 350s. I don't know if it's gonna fit with the loops on this shoe, but I wanna do something different like that. So the shoe is a one sock liner, meaning that the lining and the tongue are not separate. It is all one. From what I heard, these shoes are super comfortable. But yeah, not a whole lot to say about the colorway. It's just black on top of black. Very few hints of gray. I do like the model. Obviously, I'll have to get in hand first before I give my final judgment, just because I have not tried these shoes on feet. Yeezy Supply is gonna be the main place to go for this shoe. And now as far as resale, currently on StockX, this shoe is going for $800 to $1,000. I do think that price is gonna drop after release date, but not much. I see this shoe going for $500 to $750, maybe even $800 on certain sizes. Now the sizes you're gonna wanna get are the lower sizes as well as the higher sizes. So like a size 13 should do really well as far as resale, as well as a size 8. Your middle sizes are gonna do, you know, it's still gonna be good resale, but it's nothing like those other sizes. So let me know what your resale predictions are. Are you going for the shoe as a personal? Are you just gonna flip it? Or are you just gonna pass completely? Let me know all that good stuff. That being said, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. It's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.